Welcome to The Real Amanda Young, and I'm going to share castor oil, how to use it. So I've been using castor oil for about a year, a little over a year, and I started using it for a variety of different reasons. My skin, when I hit perimenopause, my skin got really dry, I started aging really fast, and I had aches and pains. And I also had some gut issues going on. I had constipation, always bloated, and I found castor oil, and I didn't realize all of the stuff it could do at the beginning. And I just used it just for a couple things, and then now I use it for a variety of different things. I use it every single day. I'm gonna share some ways on how to use it. And what I use in everything. So castor oil has been around for many years. It's a multi-purpose oil. It can be used for a variety of things. It has antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial. It's got anti-inflammatory properties in it. So I started using, I'm gonna share first some skincare tips. I will also link everything in the description that I use. I also use really good skincare as well. I'll link that down below as well. So I started using castor oil for skincare because it helps with the glow. It's got properties in it to help smooth your skin, help with aging spots, sun damage, wrinkles, fine lines, crow's feet. So what I use castor oil. I'll put a little bit in my moisturizer and I apply it every single night. Every night, that's how I use it. And I also add a little bit in my eye cream as well. And that's how I use castor oil in my skincare. It works amazing. I use a variety of different ones, and I'm going to kind of go through some of it because castor oil can be used for a variety of things. So I use it for my skincare. You can also use it for joint pain. If you have inflammation going on. I had one finger and a knee that really was causing a lot of pain. And so I use castor oil, and I just apply it straight castor oil on my knee, my finger, every single night. I wear it overnight, okay? That's how I did it. You don't have to use castor oil for long periods of time. You do get better results when you do, but you can use it for like 30 minutes and up. Some people like to use it at night and just keep it on throughout the night. Other people don't. So I'm gonna actually go through compressions, castor oil packs, because that is what I really got into to begin with, because I had, like I said, a lot of gut issues going on. So what I did was I got these castor oil packs, and like I said, I'll link everything in the bottom of this video in the descriptions. But the castor oil packs are great because what you'll do is put, like, this is for the abdomen. This is what it looks like. And it has a zipper. You could put a hot pack in there if you want as well. I don't do that. I actually just put about 1 tablespoon of castor oil on the pack. I let it absorb 20-30 minutes, because if you don't let it absorb, it's gonna run off the pack, okay? And then it gets really messy. And castor oil is thick like honey, okay? So it can get sticky, okay? So I just put 1 tablespoon on this castor oil pack, and I apply it on my stomach. You can wear it for 30 minutes, like I said, or you can wear it overnight. Why I love these, and they're so versatile, you can use them for so many things, but I love them is because when you apply these compressions, what happens is your body naturally warms up and heats that area, and now that warms the oil, and when the oil is warmed up, it penetrates even deeper into the skin. And that's what castor oil is really great. It really penetrates deep into the skin tissues because you got 7 layers of skin, okay? These actually, when your body warms up, it penetrates even deeper into your tissues. So I love these. I honestly don't like to wear these at night. I did do for a while because I did a liver detox. I will link the video in the description and put this at the end of the video as well if you're looking for something like that. I mean, I did do it for that because I did get really great results with that. But anyways, I use this castor oil for like bloating and just to stay regular on a regular basis, especially if you have like bloating or constipation issues going on. What I will do is I will just put a little bit of this on like in the palm of my hand. I just put a little bit in my belly button, around my belly button, like kind of like all over my stomach before I go to bed. I do this every single night before I go to bed. And then in the morning, I'm regular. It keeps you regular. It helps keep you regular. The longer you use it, the more consistent you'll see better results. Consistency and using it every day was the biggest point, really where I saw the best benefits. I have my family use it for a variety of things too as well. But that is one thing, is being consistent and using it every single day makes a huge difference. So you can use it also for your breast as well. Okay, I'm gonna share some tips on that. Like I said, I love these castor oil packs because they have a variety of different ones for certain purposes. But these can be used for the breast area. Like I said, with these, put like a tablespoon of castor oil, let it, sit there for 20, 30 minutes and let it absorb, because if not, it will run off. But you can put it in your bra. You can wear it throughout the day. I at least wear it for 30 minutes or longer if you don't want to wear it at night. But this will help with swelling, breast pain, inflammation, and stuff like that, okay? Another thing that's a really great tip as well is if you have organic panty liners. These are amazing. You could put castor oil on it. You can stick these, put the sticky side against the bra. You can wear it in your bra. If you have back pain, you can apply it, on your back and put the sticky side in your pants, like at the top, and let it stick so that pushes up against the back area. These are really great. You can wear that all day long if you're going to work or whatever. If you have pain in the private area, you know what I mean? You can put this in your underwear as well with castor oil to relieve some inflammation or pain or anything going on. But these are really great to, use wherever, okay? Wherever you want, okay? Because you have that sticky side of it and you can put it against the clothing and then have the cotton part that has the castor oil up against the skin. And it's kind of like a castor oil pack because it warms up that area, and that castor oil will get deep into the skin, okay, deep into the tissues and stuff. That's a couple benefits that you can use for castor oil. Another benefit that you can use as well is, I love this pack right here. This has this in it. You apply it on your neck, okay? Or you can apply it if you have varicose veins on your legs, small ones, you can apply it on your legs. I don't know if you can see it, in your legs, wherever. And it has one of these strings that tighten it to hold it in place. But when you use castor oil packs, make sure you leave them sit for a while so it absorbs. Okay, I learned that the hard way because I just put it on there and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's going everywhere. It's making a mess, right? So make sure you allow it time to absorb in there. So then when you apply it, it's going right into the skin and it's not getting all over. But you can apply this around your neck. This will help with the fine lines and wrinkles. If you have thyroid issues, this will help with thyroid as well. It'll help support the thyroid too as well. And you can just wear that. You can wear it, a couple hours through the day, or you can wear it at night. You can also use this around your eyes like this. Okay, this can help with dry eyes. This can help with, I've had people that have had cataracts and stuff. It's helped them with that as well. So you're gonna put the castor oil on the pad, let it sit there for 20 minutes, and then apply it like this. You can sleep with it. It's like a sleep mask, okay? And what happens is because the castor oil warms up, it will, penetrate and go through the eyelids into the eye. And it can really help with that. And it can help with any inflammation or swelling that's going on too as well. It can even actually improve your eyesight as well, okay? So those are a few tips. I love using castor oil if I have muscle pain or any kind of joint pain. I just rub it into that joint area. That's one thing I did for many months because I had really bad knee pain and I had this finger that had I hit it and it was really painful. I just rubbed it every day, every night, and just let it penetrate. and it penetrates in the skin. So it's going to help with inflammation and stuff like that. So those are some tips on how to use it. Leave a comment in the comments, like, have you used castor oil and what it's done for you? I would love to hear if you've used castor oil and what it's done for you as well. One thing I want to point out is make sure it's always in glass, okay? Always make sure it's in glass because what happens with the plastics and stuff, over time, the oil is very potent. It's a very powerful oil. And you don't know what the plastics are made of or how safe it is. And over time, I actually did an experiment with oils one time with plastics years ago. And the oils will eat right through the plastic. And then you have microplastics in your castor oil. And then what happens, you're applying it in your skin. Okay, and now you're getting the microplastics into your skin. Okay, so make sure it's always glass. Is really important. Make sure it's pure, hexane free, and all the ones that I use are as well. Another thing because castor oil is really sticky, you can dilute it. You can put it in your lotions to dilute it more. You can use fractionated coconut oil. You can add that together. You can add vitamin E oil to the castor oil. That is really great for dark spots. If you have dark spots on your hand or on your face, you can mix those two together. If you're mixing your oils together, always make sure it's in a glass container. I always keep my spice little glass jars, that you get oregano and stuff like that. And I wash them and clean them and dry them real good. And then I make my mixtures in those little glass spices. It's a really simple, easy way to mix things. But those are a few benefits that you can do with castor oil. So I hope that brought you value today. And also remember to click the subscribe button so we can stay connected. And I'll put all the links down below. And also I'll put a video after this if you're looking for a liver detox. And thanks so much for watching. I so appreciate you. And you have an awesome day. And I will see you soon. Bye.